Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase the speed of page on Wix website. So, a fast loading website is crucial for a better user experience and improved SEO. So if you want your Wix website to load quickly and efficiently, keep watching. The first step is to analyze your current page speed. Head over to Google Page Speed Insights or GTmetrix and enter your website URL because these tools will help you with insights into how well your site is performing and areas that need improvement. Pay attention to metrics like first content full paint and time to interactive, as they give you an idea of how fast your content is loading for users. Now, one of the biggest factors slowing down your site is unoptimized images. So large high-resolution images can drastically affect loading times. To optimize your images in Wix, select an image and click on Settings. Make sure to use images with correct dimensions and also compress them to reduce file size. You can use free tools like TinyPNG or Compressor.io before uploading images to Wix. Additionally, use Wix website image optimization to automatically serve smaller versions of your images on mobile devices. Another way to boost your page speed is by reducing heavy elements like large videos, backgrounds, animations, or excessive third-party widgets. These can increase load time significantly. If you have backgrounds or animations, consider replacing them with a static image or lighter animations. Widgets that rely on external services like live chats or social media feeds can slow down your site. Only keep what's necessary for user experience. Now, Wix automatically enables lazy loading for most of its elements, but it's a good idea to check that your media elements like images and videos are set to load only when they are visible to the user. This can significantly reduce initial load time. Lazy loading delays the loading of elements until they are in view, which means your website won't try to load everything all at once. To further increase the speed, minimize custom code and scripts that you have added to your site because too many external scripts can slow down things. Now, go through the custom code section and remove any script you don't need. For the ones you keep, try loading them normally so they don't block the loading of your main content. Now you can finally optimize your website for mobile devices. Wix automatically create a mobile version of your site, but you should still manually check it to make sure it's fully optimized. Remove any elements that don't work well on mobile or that slow down the mobile experience. After making these changes, go back to Google Page Speed Insight and test your site again to see how much your score has improved. A faster site means happier users and better SEO. That's it for today. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.